Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to show you some things that I got in from plantsbymail.com. They did a couple giveaways on the channel in 2018, and I actually have a really fun giveaway coming up in March from them, so that'll be at the beginning of March. But they sent me a bunch of pieces for some video work that I have going on in the yard here, and I wanted to show you how these came. They send out full-size plants. I don't know if you have done many mail order plants, but this company actually sends out just absolute full-size plants. These are looks like these are going to be 2-gallon containers in these 2 boxes right here, and they just staple two of the boxes together, and they put these little tabs on the side that squeeze in right here to hold the pot down in the bottom of the container right there. I have found the easiest way to get these out is to actually go from the bottom and open the bottom of the box right here. We want to get these unboxed as soon as they come, but these came from UPS yesterday. But I get the bottom of the box open just like that, and the other one open just like that, and then they'll actually slip out of the bottom of them just like this. Presto. These are 2 rhododendrons that I got in. This is Southgate Rhododendron. This is a rhododendrons that were bred to be more heat tolerant in the south, so I'm kind of excited to do a video on these. I have several different varieties, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more these double boxes to unbox. But again, I just slit the bottom on it right here, and they just slid right out of the bottom on them. I need to get them out quickly and get them watered. But the other thing they do, if you can see this, they put a plastic bag on the container, so if the box ended up upside down, none of the soil was going to dump out of it. So pretty well boxed. Again, they have a giveaway on the channel coming up next month that should be fun. I'm going to get the rest of these unboxed, and then I'll show you how the stuff looks after it's out. So I got everything unboxed here, and starting on this end, I'm not going to go over the details on these plants because I'm actually shooting videos in the next couple weeks for all of these, and you'll get to see them in more detail. But this is a Burning Love Leucothoe, really beautiful winter color on that Leucothoe, and these are all these Southgate rhododendrons right here, and you can see the flower buds on them. Rhododendrons are always exciting to have the flower buds on them for so long, and the anticipation of them. I've got 5 autumn lilac Encore Azaleas right there. They're shedding a few leaves as they're setting their spring flowers. That's completely normal, and I have a great spot for those. That's probably the best purple Encore Azalea. This is a Nightlight Chamaecyparis. I'll have that video up within a week. I actually shot most of that video in Alabama, but this is a beautiful gold conifer. Stays like this all winter. Looks like they had just pruned the top off of this one, trying to make it fuller. And then there's 2 new blueberry varieties that I haven't covered yet that I'll show you pretty soon. And then the Chef's Choice Rosemary is this is a really great plant, low growing rosemary that actually is a good culinary rosemary. A lot of the dwarf rosemaries are I don't think they're good culinary rosemaries. They just stay small. This one actually does both, stay small and works well as a culinary rosemary. And then this is that dwarf Miss Figgy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the details on these upcoming videos for these pieces that I got in from Plants by Mail. I've got a giveaway going up tomorrow on Sunday, February 3rd for some Corona pruners. And then the March giveaway, the first Sunday in March, I'll be announcing the giveaway for the plantsbymail.com giveaway. So thank you very much for watching. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you get to see the upcoming content.